welcome back to the channel and the first video of 2023. Now normally, as you know, I buy a car every year and I've been doing for the last 3 years, but today it's a bit different. I've actually sold one of my cars, so let's run the intro and we'll get into it.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Right, so obviously you want to know what car I sold, and it's a car that's been very close to me. It was a very hard sell for me because I didn't want to let it go. I put it on for sale about 6 months ago and I had a few offers, but I took it back down because I love the car so much. But then the right offer came through and I had to get it gone. And the car I have sold is, yep, that's right, my Mark 5 Golf GTI. Obviously it's a stage 1. You can see it's got the Golf R alloys. The owner actually bought me these alloys. The other alloys were messed up and he said he wanted these on, so I put these alloys on for him. But yeah, the Mark 5 Golf is sold. The car that started this channel, started my whole YouTube, you know, got me a lot of views and got me a lot of subscribers. Thank you very much. That car is now out of the picture. Don't forget, I still have the BM, I still have the ST, I still have the Type R and the quad bike. So yeah, the Mark 5 Golf, what a brilliant car it's been. The engine, obviously, you know, I know it like the back of my hand. You guys know this engine. Everybody who's got this car knows, you know what I mean? It's one of the most reliable cars ever. Obviously, I'm very sad to see it go. I did make a few changes. The induction kit came off. Obviously, it had a straight through exhaust. The exhaust has been put back to stock, and the alloys as well. So there it is, the Mark 5 Golf GTI has been sold. I'll give you a sound clip before it actually gets gone, so we can have a last sound clip, but it's still got the pops and bangs on as well. So what I'll do is I'll start up the car for you and give you a quick sound clip of it. Obviously, pop the bonnet open. Right, we can see obviously missing a piece here, but obviously the cover's gone back on. No induction kit anymore, but all the other mods we've done to it, the PCB, all that is still in. Like I said, it just had a service before it's gone to the new owner, and yeah, like I said, I'm sad to see it go. Will I get another one on the channel? It all depends. But yeah, it's a sad day altogether. Right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I want to say a big thank you, like I said, all the subscribers, everyone VAG, you know, for watching me and supporting the channel. A big thank you. I want to say a big thank you to this car that's got me to where I am today. I will really miss it, but that's the end of the Mark 5 Golf GTI. So don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you on the next video guys. But before I go, it's only right you know me by now, guys. One car goes, another comes. Obviously, I've gone and bought myself a Mark II Seat Leon FR, and it's a petrol. Yep, that's right. It's the same engine as a Mark V Golf GTI, and what a car! I've got to say, you know what? Space-wise, and just the car overall is lovely. Now I've had this car for a few days. I'm just getting used to it. There's not much to get used to, but here it is, guys. Like I said to you, you thought I was done. No, no, no. The Mark II Seat Leon FR. Right, so I know it sticks out like a sore thumb in red, but obviously I wanted it in red. There's a bit of fading on the ring. The car itself, personally, let me know what mods I should do. It's got an induction kit. I bought this because obviously same engine as the Mark V Golf GTI. I know the engine on the back of my hand. It looks a bit more aggressive. It looks a bit more bigger, more space. Obviously, it's got the alloys from the FR diesel. These alloys don't come in the petrol. Besides that, it's got the tinted lights at the back. And other than that, and the induction kit, it's stock. It's got a screen, Android screen inside. But what more can I say? Like I said, the GTI engine in a Spanish Seat Leon shell. But yeah, one thing I am going to tell you is the car is going to get lowered. I've got plans for this car, but I want to know from you what else I can do. I am going to lower it. I just think it sits too high. I think it'll look a lot better once the car is lowered. But yeah, guys, that is my new car for the channel. I want to say carry on supporting me, guys. A big thank you to everybody who's been watching me and supporting me from day one. Let's hit that 1K subscriber, guys. A lot more content coming out on this car and my other cars, so don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I will see you soon.